Lately, I've been thinking about what it means to see somebody, not with a camera, but with intention, with empathy, and with presence. So today, I'm going to share the 3 things that I do intentionally to tell my clients' stories with my camera. Number 1, I take the time to know their story. When you know, like really know your client, you develop a really deep trust with them, and they trust you. They trust you that you know them well enough that you know what type of photographs they're looking for, what type of expressions they are hoping to capture, what stories they want their photographs to tell. Number 2 is I honor the person that is in front of my camera. When somebody is stepping in front of your camera, they are doing it knowing that they're going to be totally uncomfortable being in such close proximity and being, I suppose, very vulnerable at a point in their life, hoping that, you know, that you will take beautiful photographs for them. But the fact that honoring somebody who is in front of the camera, it means that putting your camera down, not focusing just on like the posing and the lighting and the composition, actually putting the camera down to have conversations with your clients. It's not about, grabbing the camera, snap, 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 snap. There you go. There's your photographs. I hope you love them. No, what you're trying to do is to develop that trust further with them. And when you put your camera down, you can find out some really, really incredible things about your clients. They will surprise you at every turn. Like, for instance, most recently, I was photographing this couple who hadn't had any photographs since their wedding. And they'd never actually had a moment where they could actually just, enjoy each other's company and feel like, that there was some secret language that was happening between them. Had I have not put my camera down, I would have never known that about them. I would have never understood that, that they've never had the opportunity to have that time for themselves, by themselves, even though there was me with the camera there. So by honoring the person that is in front of your camera, the simple action of just putting your camera down in order to have a conversation with them, even if it's just for like a couple of seconds or, a minute or two, that means so, so much to the client, because you can instantly see them more relaxed, more comfortable, and they will naturally get into these incredible poses because they are who they are. So what you're trying to do is not take away any of that from them. You're trying to enhance that and bring that out more. So have conversations with your clients in between the sessions of doing your photo shoot session with them. Put your camera down. Start talking to them like they are a person and not just a client. And number 3 is that I craft an experience specifically tailored to that client. What do I mean by that? Like I said at the beginning, the first part is that I like to get to know their story. By knowing their story, you can create an experience that is specific just to them. Like, you can go out and they may not know how to put makeup on. You can hire a makeup artist to work with them, to understand them in their makeup style, and add that into the cost of you actually doing business. Yeah. You can do wardrobe sessions with them. These are really, really fun. Letting them know that, you're welcome to, you will actually come to them to meet them where they are in order to help them sort out their wardrobes and their looks for the type of feel and the mood and the storytelling that they want to have in their photographs. It's a lot of fun. A lot of clients really do appreciate that. And specifically tailoring the experience specifically for that client. None of my photo shoots are ever under 2 hours. And that is intentional because I want to spend the time knowing my client, knowing their journey, understanding the types of photographs that they want, making sure that we're capturing, some of those pose looks, but also some of those moments where they're unposed, completely unstructured. They're very, very natural. They're in their own element and understanding and moving their body as they naturally do. Another example, I most recently had photographed this family, and the father-in-law was, while the daughter-in-law was actually going and getting ready for her session to join us, he went and he stood by this window. And as he was standing in that window, I saw a man who was deep within contentment, within his own thoughts, just taking a moment to just think and just be. And I have to say, that was my most favorite shot from the day. And the family loved that shot. He absolutely loved that shot because, like I said, some of the best photographs are the ones that aren't posed and they're unstructured. You want to give your clients this real experience of, you know, deciphering and creating a journey of a moment in their life with them in these photographs. That's great storytelling. That's being able to tell their story how they would like it to be told. So to quickly recap for you, the 3 intentional things to start doing in your sessions with your clients to tell phenomenal stories about them is 1, take the time to know their story. Number 2, honor the person that is in front of your camera. Put down your camera, start having conversations with the person, not the client. And number 3, craft an experience that's specifically tailored to that client. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Drop a heart in the comments if you did, and let us know what is your biggest storytelling challenge that you have when you're crafting stories for your clients. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.